Can share a little light fantasy with me. When you're alone in your room, you're just safe, just embrace and go. Or you can share a little light fantasy with me. Or if you're glad I'm having colors, you might never see the day. Leave this one, this one, this and you'll not think that it was worth it. So when that is it, it's really just a day that you're living. And your dream is like fantasy with me. Now when you start the exhibition, it's not gonna there as it starts. And your dream is like fantasy with me. Don't say you're lost in a crowd. You can stop and scream out loud. You can dream is like fantasy with me. And when the ball goes rolling, just pick a bit of all of it. Once the ball becomes my worst, I don't know where we might be now. So when life is getting scary, we know all alone in every book is started for all the world to see. There's no dream like fantasy with me. You see there's nothing sweet and you speak very honest. Yet she speaks very, of course she's very honest. You can